Alright, so we're going to take the car out for a little test drive. After making some changes, I did lower the car another 3/4 of an inch. We're basically as low as we can go in the front without the bump stops, just riding on the K-member. And then I just made the rear match. So I think it looks really good, but once I get the tubular K-member to match the tubular A-arm, I think I'll have a little bit more clearance between the bump stop and where it touches, so we'll be able to go a little bit lower, but I do like the look of it right here. And then I also installed this mount for my GoPro that comes off the harness bar. I was using some suction cup mounts before and they just weren't holding up, and they were in a bad location, like mounted on the back window, and then the one on the windshield just would not stay. So we have this arm that reaches up between the seats, so I'm hoping that provides a good view. This is kind of a test video for that. Hopefully with the length it doesn't shake too much, or at least hopefully the camera will smooth out the vibrations, but we will see. Other than that, we do have the fuel line up by the Phytech wrapped, as well as the fuel line that goes by the header, as well as the Hotwire kit from Racetronix, so hopefully that helps with the fuel pump. And if you guys haven't watched the previous videos, go ahead and check that out. It kind of explains the issues I was having or experiencing. So today's kind of a test drive to see how the car performs and how that mount works out for me, if I like it or not. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So it's running a lot better. The fuel pump isn't getting nearly as loud as it was before. I can get low at the back of the car and hear it running, but it is much quieter than before, where I could hear it standing way away from the car and even inside the car while it was running. So that seems to be doing better. The ride feels amazing. I didn't make any adjustments as far as rebound or compression or anything, but I did lower it. It still feels good, handles really well. As you guys might see in the video, you see my warning light come on for the oil pressure. It does drop to about 20 pounds when at idle when hot, but 20 pounds is still good for idle. Ideally, you don't want it, but it does increase with RPM. Like I said, we're riding this engine out. It performs well. I don't expect it to last forever. I want to have fun with it, and I do have plans for another engine swap, engine and trans swap in the near future, so that'll come, but as of right now, we're just going to have fun with it. And then the other thing you guys might notice is I actually use the GPS as my speedometer, and it does lag, so like I'll get on it and it's like still jumping to the next number, and then I'll slam on the brakes and the numbers still climb and then they jump down. So like on my draggy, I track it and I had it up to 126 or 127, and the highest that the GPS captured was 96. And I think that's because when I got up that high, it was so far behind and catching up with speed that by the time I let off, it just stopped there and came back down. Always like that, GPS lags a little bit, especially when you jump in speed quicker than it can keep up, basically. But everything seems to be doing really well. I do have a small leak at my front main seal, but it's not bad enough for me to worry about. So I mean, there's minor things here and there, but I'm just going to enjoy the car as long as there's nothing like preventing me from driving it and it being reliable. I'm just going to have fun with it. We're going to enjoy it until the project comes where we end up swapping out the entire drivetrain, and then we'll really start having fun with it. But let me know if you guys would like to see any specific kind of content with the car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.